Hi everyone! This tutorial is going to walk you through the steps of how to pull a report of student performance by standards for your course. So we'll start on the analysis page and my reports. Go ahead and create a new report. Once you're in your reports creator, create a new report. This is the Teammate Standard Scores report. We want to change our result filters. Here's where you are going to filter the teacher and the time period. So go ahead and select what teacher. So for today, I'm going to pull Ryan Jones. And the time period. So if I want to see all the standards for quarter 3, I'm just going to come here and click quarter 3. After you have set the results filters, go to the standard scores. And here's where you're going to select the standards that you want to see in the report. You can choose to select, so scroll and select standards for your course, but also know if you click all standards, your report will only include standards that you have used and tagged in your gradebook. Once you have selected the standards or chosen all, click Load Data. And when taking a look at the results, you'll want to look at the pivot table and filter on the left for the assigned standard. This is showing overall the average for each standard that Mr. Jones has used for quarter 3. Another helpful thing to add in the left breakout is the assessment. So now as we look at the results, not only do we see the total of all assessments that have been tagged with this standard, but then we can also look at individual assessments as well. So pulling our report at the standard level really helps us to see, are the students hitting the targets that we're aiming for?